putting like birds in wildlife hotspots. So Nepal, we have this is a lowland there,
Yeah.
flat land.
The
And
whole
this area would be the middle hills.
Okay.
The altitude ranges from let's say 1500 to 2000, 2500. And then afterwards we go up to 8000 plus. So we have a three direct. Most of the bird watching tours are begin with Kathmandu. That's the capital. That's
Yeah.
you fly in.
Yeah.
And depending on the people, so if you go one day, Bulchati, this is one of the highest mountains in Kathmandu Valley that
Yeah.
we bring people there.
Yeah.
And the next day, we take to Pokhara. We fly to Pokhara.
Fly.
Fly or drive
or
both
drive.
way. Drive is about 7-8 hours, 9 hours. Flight is 45 minutes. Yeah. Then we stay 2 to 3 days depending on the people's climate. Pokhara is a beach.
Yeah, climbing.
Yeah. No climate.
Pokhara.
Pokhara is a beautiful valley that we have lakes and mountains and all sort of things. And we have a climbing. We have a really great bird. You know the vultures, raptors are migrating. We get a water birds, mountains, all sort of things. And then we drive down to south, Lumpini, which is border with India. Basically, literally, you are in the Indian plain. Yeah?
Yeah, it
Flat
says.
land.
Yeah.
And this area, you have mammals, birds, and if you are interested or things, you can go to like this is the birthplace of a Buddha as well. So we can visit there.
So there's the ordeal.
So this is the birds that you can see around the Kinabatan without walking in a forest. So we have the border ground.
Wow, right there.
And I guess a certain area that you have to walk like an hour in the forest.
Oh, that's
But
fun.
in Kinabatangan, you actually can spot them even though you just sit down on the ball. So that's why they are quite interesting.
Okay.
But mostly are
Tell my friends. The Oh my gosh, I just saw this on TV only. And you can see it there.
We have in
Yeah.
our Facebook, YouTube channels also.
Okay.
We have this
that's huge.
Birds of Paradise dancing.
Yeah,
our
yeah,
channel,
yeah, yeah.
YouTube channel. So
Okay.
within our classic West Papua trip, you'll see this. Not this one because this one is in Halmahera. So it's different trip. So this, of course, definitely you will see.
Bilang residente ayaw, NGOs, marami ang ayaw na sinabi. Pero, ngayon nakikita natin, how do you feel? Pag nakita niya ang
Hello. Hello. Oh my god, parrot.
And along there, half a kilometer from there, you don't see it. So it's restricted to certain habitat in the Alberta region. Yeah.
Interesting.
This is what I'll be talking about tomorrow.
Oh, you will? Okay.
Well, because I was told talk about specific birding area in Uganda, and that is the area I'll be talking about.
Is it lowland or
No, highland.
Mount Highland?
Here there are hills, here there are mountains.
Is it Cambodia? But we don't know yet when. I think we should have a long time ago. But I didn't think to make it a bird trip. No? We can make a bird tour. Yeah.
Or you can do the temple too.
Yeah. And from there you can see the.
Yeah.
Wow. Cool. Like no need to go mountain climbing or anything.
It depends on the species you
Yeah.
want to see.
Yeah.
We have like 4 or 5 places where you can do a day trip from Siem Reap.
Okay. 4 or 5. And this is the endemic.
Yeah. It is not endemic, that one, but very rare.
Very rare.
Yeah,
What,
very rare. Only 300 birds in the world.
from the boat.
Maybe like 3 hours from Siem Reap to get to that place.
3 hours.
Even you do the temple tour and you combine together with bird watching,
Yeah.
you may see between 40 to 50 species inside the temple.
Oh,
40 to 50 species a day. So we also do temple and bird watching.
that's good. So I don't need. River. Near Ibis.
Yes. But it must be overnight.
Yeah.
3 days. Usually combined together. And one more over here.
3 days. That's good.
Yeah, 3 days.
Let's go outside.
Yeah, sure.
Make it like a birding trip.
And even you can go if you have enough time. Usually, if you can more than 10 days.
Where?
Some people also will go to the small island near the China. So also can see some different species. Yeah,
It's
near the
different.
China is a Machu area. For
Yeah.
example, this kind of a very endangered
Oh,
bird,
tern.
but it's a Chinese question. Right now in the whole world, maybe only 100 pairs.
Huh?
But you can see in a small island. Yeah. And right now, the endemic bird go up to the 32.
Oh, go up.
Yeah, because we have
They discovered.
more than 50 species and subspecies. So gradually, because right now the genetic research and based on the code,
Yeah.
we found it's different. Another area. So
Right.
originally, for example, 20 years ago, only 14
Oh?
endemic. But because we have because we have more than 50
Yeah.
subspecies, species that will be should be endemic. But you need to categorize it based on the experts.
Yeah. Sweet salt. Oh, Ginger, that's my name. Yeah, Ginger. My name is Ginger. My husband and my daughter, they cannot come because it's a weekday. Work, school. So I have to take for them this video. So I didn't think to go to Okinawa and do a bird tour. So I think at least now I know who to call. This one. Homepage. Yeah?
Yeah, but
Yeah?
English page is not done.
Okay.
Not yet.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Ishigaki Island. Crested serpent eagle.
Yeah. Similar species you can see in Philippines. You can see in Philippines similar birds.
I'll take that one. Similar course. Goes by. You driving. So no need.
On the road.
Yeah, you can see them eating the snake.
Yes. So then
Yeah.
can it adapt this one. Okinawa
Only rail.
ray is an endemic species in a bird forest. This forest only, we can eat this bird, this forest only.
Oh.
Very narrow forest. So endemic and endangered species. So you can check the bird because bird is moved to work
Yeah.
country.
Yeah.
So that's why.
Ah.
Maybe not good for the
March. Autumn. Yeah. Autumn.
for some spring.
Yeah. I like autumn. So spring, yeah, it's good. So
Korea is, however, is full season. So
yeah.
feel it.
But my really favorite is the autumn. Wow, galing. Ah. Try.
We have different art styles.
It's so cool. I actually had a nature journal, but I'm not good at drawing, so
And it's okay.
so I take videos.
We can learn. Sometimes